Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're going to take a look at some pots at this place called Pot Stop. Come on in, let's go see. If you're like me, you like some nice pots to put your plants in. And this place really has a lot of different kinds of pots. I'm going to put their website link in the information or description below. Look at all these pots. So many of them. This is gorgeous right here. This one. Just to give you an idea of how much these pots cost. And they also have some, it looks like a fire pits over here. Beautiful fire pits. Look at that. So they have other items that they're selling in this place, not just pots. They have garden accessories, like decorations that they have. They have bird baths over on this side. And then sculptures that you can put in your garden. They have different kinds. They have some more over here. Very interesting. And then if we go over to this side, they have some things that you can put on the wall if you wanted to. So they have, let me show you some of the wall items that they have. Here's some more bird bath. And so they have things that you can put on the wall that you can purchase here. And you have some more over here. Just beautiful colors. They have a lot of the pots in this material. As you can see, they have a lot of pots here. I'm going to put their website link in the description below. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. please remember to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye bye.